Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Apeks double HP port. So this is basically a way of attaching two high pressure hoses or two high pressure gadgets onto a single high pressure port. So one goes into the high pressure port on your first stage and then two spurs out of it. So the first one, you can attach a hose onto that. That does swivel as well. So you've got a bit of movement. It's mainly so that you can sort of tighten up sort of both sections of it. On the second one, this sort of section that comes out, you can fit a swivel pin into that. So if you've got a transmitter and an SPG that you all want to come off a single high pressure port, so you want them both coming off of the sort of left-hand side, then this is the gadget you need. So it has a maximum working pressure of about 300 bar, which is really the highest pressure that we tend to work in. And yeah, it's well built. It's got good construction, no sort of sharp edges or anything. They've got a good sort of quality control. Yeah, this is the Apeks HP double port. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.